morning, everybody. Say hi. Say good morning. Alright, so I just woke up and I'm gonna check. There's a delivery at the door. Alright, so we're gonna check it out. Let's do this. We're gonna check the package. There it is. Finally, this heavy duty has arrived and I'm excited to create the projects. So, let's get started. Right, Enzo? Right? Are you excited too? Okay. And, we're gonna unbox it. Alright, so let's open this baby. So we get some safety instructions. For optimum performance, change your needle every 6 to 8 hours of sewing, but not 6. So this is the prep instruction. That's the preparation for the bobbin thread, and the next and behind this page is threading the top thread. So this one is very easy. These are the accessories that's included when you buy the Singer 4423 heavy duty sewing machine. We have here the all-purpose foot, zipper foot. We have the buttonhole foot, button sewing foot. Next is the lint brush slash seam ripper. Ta-da! It is seam ripper and a lint brush. Next is the quilting guide. We have extra needles. There's 3 needles inside. There's a screwdriver, auxiliary spool pin. This is the spool pin felt, and we have the spool stopper. This is very important so our thread spool doesn't jump. And of course we have extra 4 bobbins, so I only have 3. The other one is in the machine. I bought mine at Amazon, so it has a lot of reviews. This is a 110 volt machine designed for US and Canadian use. If you are outside these countries, then please check with them with regards to the voltage. Like, you don't want the headache of returning this heavy duty mama, right? guys, I will update you with more vlogs using this new sewing machine. So please stay tuned, hit the notification bell so you won't be left out with the new videos, future projects, of course. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you on my next vlog. Bye bye, ka-channels.